Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, I hope you are doing very well, guys. And here is another exchange review. And here I will tell you how you have to swap, how you can buy, sell all of your assets, and you can store your all of the assets like in on this exchange, and how you can trade like copy trading, future trading, and spot trading. So here I will give you a I will give you a very brief review about this exchange, and I will tell you how you can buy, sell, or swap here your assets. So guys, we have to stay tuned with still last of the video, and I have to say, if you are new on my channel, Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. So guys, here is welcome to XTC. Guys, this is, you know, that this is the one of the famous exchange in the world of cryptocurrency. So here I will tell you about this exchange, about their expand and how it's engaged, and how you can buy, swap, or sell your all of the assets with a very transparent, user friendly platform. So before starting their further next amazing exciting review, I would request, if you, I am not your financial advisor, do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible, guys, for your any profit or loss. So here is welcome to XTC, guys, and here I will give you a complete review about this platform. And I have personally tested this, and I am honestly speaking, this is very amazing for my viewers, for my audience. So, guys, this is a modern user-first platform where you can buy, trade, and you can spend your digital asset. Here, you can also swap. You can also open your account at this exchange. And guys, what is basically XCC? This is the basically exchange that is here you can focus on your rare rewards, ease of your use, and very powerful tools here. And here I will tell you that as you can swap your all of the crypto asset, you can also buy, you can also sell. There is no problem for this for you. And most important good thing of this platform is that you can globally first approach. This is designed for anyone and anywhere in the world. There is no restriction anywhere, and there is a real time cashback, seamless trading, and all of the all. And here you can also get very gaining tractions by for using their features. And here is the almost all of the features is available, you can check out here. You can also check out our products, and all of our features by using how you can use this platform. And so guys, now I talk about our key features, what's why you have to choose this. Because guys, this is a get virtual card, and this is the global only exchange that in the world offering crypto card. Almost 180 plus 180 countries that can use their card, and anywhere at any time. As I tell you earlier, there is no restriction. You can trade very smarter, no harder there is, and very experienced and ultra low fees guys here. And here you can also get your real time rewards. This is the second benefits of this exchange. And here is also a seamless spot trading. As I tell you, you can trade here. And here is also a P2P power, guys. You can secure, you can direct trade with uh, any of the like future trading, copy tradings. It's on to you spot trading. And this is, guys, most important thing, that this is a very user friendly interference for both pros and beginners. Clean, very fast, and it as in a simple, totally simple. There is a no, and these are the key features why you have to choose. And now I talk about, guys, as I tell you, here you can cash back, P2P trading, spot, future trading. These are the all of these are the key features. Now I tell you about what are the upcoming features of here of this exchange. Guys, here you can also trade. as I tell you, and staking rewards here. You can stake here. You can copy trade, and also a constant platform that updates and community driven improvements for you guys. And say, hey, is I also share my personal experience, personal thoughts with you. That's it's a very amazing platform, guys. The XTC virtual card you can use. You can get your instant transactions, and you can also download our app that is available on Google Play Store. And here you can make your card here easily. So I am also using. You have to must use. And here is also a big referral here where you can get win and big. And as I tell you, P2P trading you can also get. And here is the all of the extensive selection which you have to select your acid here. And most I tell you each and everything about our platform, and I give you a complete review about this. So you have to invite your family and friends here. So guys, here as I tell you, you can swap, you can buy and sell. These are our products of XTC card. Here is a mobile app is also available, you can download. And here you can also use for your business. Here is also our affiliate program where you can get exclusive benefits. You have to unlock this. And guys, XCC Lite is also available. You can trade sport trading. P2P is also available. So you have to sign up. You have to create your account right now. You have to start your journey, and you have to also invite your friends and family at here. And guys, I have placed all of the official links in my video description. You can simply click and you can join right here now. So I hope you like it, and you mustly join, and you also invite your friends here. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.